What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for XRP against the US dollar on the Coinbase exchange. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Make sure you guys check out the interview I did with Jor. He goes over a lot about MicroStrategy and Bitcoin, so kind of like the crypto market in general. So make sure you guys check out that interview. It was very well done. So let's take a look at XRP against the US dollar on the daily chart first. You can see that price is pulling back lower. So it looks like instead of making a simple pullback, the market is making a complex pullback. So this is an example of a complex pullback right here with simple legs, multiple legs going down. This was a simple pullback right here. And this is a simple pullback on a higher time frame, a complex pullback on a lower time frame. So basically the market in this case is making a complex pullback similar to this right here. So we're making the second leg down. So we already saw the first leg down right over here, and then this was the start of the second leg right about there. And price is targeting right around the $2.70 level, which makes sense because that is where this bullish trend line is at, and also the top side of the yellow range, which was prior resistance. And now it looks like price is coming back to test it for support. Is it guaranteed to get there? No, it's not, but looks like it is a high probability level for the pullback to get to, especially with the bears dominating the chart in the short term. You can see that price is below the downward trend line. So it means that there's a short-term trend towards the downside in play. However, there is a strong support approaching at the $2.70 level. So we'll see if price can get there. If it's really bullish, then price won't get there. And if it's not as bullish, obviously price will get to that lower target. So depending on how bullish it is, will tell me if we're going to reach the target or not. As of right now, it is still targeting the downside in the short term, and we'll see what happens right around this level. If it finds support, then we can look for higher price targets, which will be a measured leg of this magnitude. One leg up right here, second leg up. Price is targeting right around the $4.34 level. So that would be the longer term target. As long as price can continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which it is right now, then there's a good chance we will reach that target. So this was a high right here, then price made a low, we made a higher high, and as long as this low that we're about to make is higher than the prior one, there's a good chance that we still see higher prices. So short-term bearish, but medium to long-term, it still looks pretty good. So the macro picture is up, but the micro picture is down. So this correction is in play. Price is pulling back to the sub $3. $2.70 is my target for this downward correction. Here's a look at the weekly chart with the EMA. You can see that price is pulling back lower, letting that EMA catch up. Price was overextended, and there's a good chance that price will continue higher after this correction takes place. Bitcoin also is struggling to push out of its prior high. Basically had a double top just recently. It's selling off a little bit. I think we're just going to continue seeing sideways trading for Bitcoin between the $90,000 level and the $100,000 level. Eventually, it will break out higher, most likely. But as right now, that also is consolidating, and which is not helping the altcoins at all. So all that for XRP against the US dollar on daily weekly charts. Most likely, give you guys an update sometime in the near future. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.